As a developer, producer, or manager of renewable energy assets, you need to accurately monitor your portfolio on a daily basis. And because every player operates differently and has different needs, S4E, a software editor specialized in the energy sector, has developed Energysoft. Energysoft is a 100% customizable monitoring and asset management software compatible with all available equipment on the market. Energysoft optimizes performance monitoring. Production managers view all their power plants' performances at a glance and receive immediate alerts if there are malfunctions or if there is a drop in production. Energysoft is used to manage and track maintenance by scheduling on-site interventions within a workflow that includes all stakeholders involved in the maintenance process. The platform offers every user the possibility of managing their own dashboards, graphs, or customized calculations as they wish. They can also create their alarms, notifications, and scheduled reports depending on their needs. The approach of S4E is based on co-construction and customer cooperation, leading to continuous improvement of Energysoft. The goal is to keep Energysoft abreast of market needs and bring users the new features they need to optimize their operations. Energysoft provides a unique interconnection platform and a unified view of all power plants, regardless of their type, for all players: producers, asset owners, technicians, etc. Combined with a genuine customer-centric culture, S4E has attracted the major renewable energy players, giving Energysoft a considerable market share in France, combined with double-digit growth of the total monitored power. With its attractive subscription price, the responsiveness of both its support and development teams, total customization, and advanced adaptability, today, Energysoft is the renewable energy plant monitoring software you need.